Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change the TradingView background color to the black and white theme or the chart background setup. So firstly we will see how we can change the chart background color. So you can simply press the setting icon in your top navigation bar. If you're not found here, you can right click and then click on settings. Then after here you can simply go to canvas and then here you will see a background color feature. Simple select here solid and click on color picker and now select which color you want to add in your background. Here you will see the color will change in my background. If you set here gradient, you have options to select two multiple colors to create a gradient here. Okay, but I prefer select solid for aesthetic look and select the color which one you want. Okay, then after I will tell you how you can change the color background theme of your trading view. So you can simply go back to your home screen, leave your chart. After that, simple click on the profile icon, and then here you will see a dark theme and light theme option. Once you enable dark theme, you will see the black color dark theme will be enabled. Also, once you open your chart, here you will see the dark theme will be enabled here. Okay, here you will see. Now the chart color will not be add here. Only the dark theme will be enabled. So here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.